Okay, so this is the part 4 of the series of video lectures for chapter number 7. In this part, we will be discussing about the second approach to the measurement of interest risk, which we call the full valuation approach. But the duration convection approach, not full valuation approach. Okay, so as all of us know, the duration is a measure of approximate price sensitivity of a bond to interest rate changes. And we basically approximate percentage change in price for 100 basis point change in the rates. And if you remember from the chapter number 2, our duration formula was that duration is equal to the price when the yield will decrease minus the price or the value when yield will increase, divided by 2 into the original value into the change in the yield. Let's discuss an example from the example sheet we have discussed for our second video part. Remember, there was a bond, last bond, a 9% 20-year option-free bond. At 6%, that bond was trading at 1,346.72. Let's change the yield down and up by 50 basis point and see what will happen. When you will change the yield down, the price will increase to the 1421.37, and when you change the yield, the price will decrease to 1277.61. So for the calculation of this duration, we have all of the values: change in yield 0.005, original value when yield will decrease, and value when yield will decrease. And if you calculate, you will find 10.67 as a duration. It's the approximate percentage change in price for 100 basis point change in the interest rates. Okay, now given we have approximated yield, how to approximate the percentage price change using duration? Again, we have already discussed this formula, that it's the minus duration, minus because of the negative relationship between the price and yield, into change in the yield into 100. So let's see how this will work, and let's continue with the same bond and consider the changes, small changes in that bond. So example 1 is for small changes in the basis point yield. Consider again same 9% 20-year option-free bond trading at 1346.72 and yielding 6%. The approximate price change for 100 basis point increase, remember I'm saying increase in the yield, is, if I calculate, put these values, I will get 1.067%. So a percentage increase is 10 for the 10 basis point is minus 1.067. But from the actual, we remember that the actual value was decrease of a percentage change of minus 1.06. So there is a little bit discrepancy here. What will happen if we decrease the yield? We will get positive value of the same amount, but the positive value we got there in our Excel sheet was 1.07. So for the small changes in the basis point yield, the duration formula works approximately well. What will happen if these are not small but large basis point yield, large changes in the basis point yield? Let's look at how well duration does in estimating a percentage price change if the yield increase by 200 basis point. So here plus 0.02. So remember, this is in decimal points, percentage in decimal points, and we will get minus 21.34%. But from again that Excel sheet, we remember that it's not the right answer. Why it's not the right answer? Because the actual value in that Excel sheet was at 8% yield was 18.40%, right? 18.40%. And the approximate value for 200 basis point decrease in yield, we will get positive 21.34, but the percentage we got in that Excel sheet was 25.04%. I'm referring again and again to that particular Excel sheet. Let me go back to that Excel sheet and explain to you again. Okay, so here is that Excel sheet which I was talking about. In this price calculation sheet, you can see it was 6%. It was trading at 1346. At 1% increase, 10 basis point increase, it was 1332.47. 10% basis, 50 basis point increase here and 50 basis point decrease here. So I have calculated the duration using this original price, this 50%, 50 basis point decrease, and this 50 basis point increase values, right? Okay, so for the small percentage changes at 10 basis points, we have noticed that our answers were for 10 basis point, our answer was minus 10.67 into 0.0001 into 100, right, for positive, and here minus for negative, right? And for 200 basis points, it was again same formula, but now 0.02, right? Minus 2134, and same for the price, yield decline only with a minus here. So these were our answers, and these are the actual values. So at small changes in the yield, there are no such big differences in what duration estimates for us. But for the large changes in yields, such like these, in orange, you can see the discrepancies are obvious, right? So discrepancies are obvious. Now, if we convert all these numbers into prices, the changes in the prices or differences in the prices will be obvious as well, right? So, for example, from the original price, and we say our original price is 1346.72. Let me 1346.72. So from this original price, the price after this increase of price for this, not increase but decrease, and here it's increase. Sorry for increase. The price here should be this into 1 minus this percentage, right? So I will divide this by 100. 1361.08. And the actual price, if we see here, is 1332.47, 1332.47. And okay, give me a minute. Okay, let me confirm what I am doing here. So okay, sorry, plus, okay, so 1332.3505 and 1332.4. So they are approximately these same prices. If I copy it here, okay, but before copying it, let me fix this, fix the original price here. And now if I copy it here, it's 1361.0895, and here it says 1346. So 13, right? So 13, 1361.19, right? Okay. Similarly, here, and so you can see the distances here. Our price estimated from the duration formula is 1059.33. Here it is 1098.96. Here 1634. Here 1683. You can see when we use a large basis point changes to estimate duration, the prices estimated from that duration is underestimated for both cases. So this price is lower than this, and also this price is lower than this, right? So prices are underestimated for the both price increases and price decreases, right? So duration formula works quite well for the small percentage changes, but it does not quite work well for the large percentage changes. In follow-up video lectures, we will further discuss these properties of the duration and how to make it more effective. Thank you.